Hey, I've been trying to reach you to show you how simple it is to use our EZ Street Asphalt. Come on with me, let me show you. This is the application that we did a year ago, and on each side of it you can see new potholes forming. Of course, the EZ Street did its job and it's still there and it's still working. The first step applying any EZ Street patch is sweeping out the hole, which we've just done. So we're just going to fill this application. All right, so now that we've applied our product, we're going to take the tamp and we're just going to tamp it in. All right, now that we're done tamping, we're going to jump in the vehicle and we are going to put the vehicle compaction on it and we'll be good to go. Did you see how easy that was? If you would like to learn more, give me a call.